Okay, so let's go over this last problem for our exam tomorrow. If I didn't get to this problem for your class, I'm going to go over it now. So let's take a look at it. Sprague has 12.3 liters of krypton gas. He puts it in a container at 26.3 kilopascals and has a total of 0.507 moles. What's the temp of the gas in Celsius? Okay, so as we have been going over this, there is no STP, so we're not dealing with STP right now. What have we been given in this problem? We've been given volume, we've been given krypton, and we've been given pressure in our kilopascals, and we've been given the number of moles, and we're being asked the temperature of that. So let's go ahead and create our variables on our left side here, krypton first. All right, and then we'll go to just put our formula variables here. So P, V, N, R, and T. All right, let's just go ahead and start filling stuff in here. My volume is 12.3 liters. All right, my pressure here is 26.3 kilopascals. All right. Then we have my moles here at 0.507. We are solving for temp. And then our constant here, we got to use kilopascals, 8.314. Okay, so we're set up. In this case, we don't need our molar mass of our krypton because we're given moles already. So we have everything we need to go ahead and solve this thing. So PV equals nRT. So isolate our variable. What variable are we isolating? We are isolating temperature here. So we have to get rid of our nR on this side to isolate our T. So we just divide those nR on both sides. I'm moving my isolated variable to my left side. So T equals PV over nR. All right, so now we're just throwing this into the formula. So my pressure here is 26.3, and I am multiplying that against my volume of 12.3. And then take my moles, which is going to be my 0.507, and I'm going to divide that against my constant. All right, so let's go ahead and grab the old calc. All right, 26.3 times 12. All right, we're going to go 3 sig figs with this. So that's going to give me 323. I'm going to divide that. Let's see. Mr. Sprinkle, are you coming to eat in the cafeteria? 8. All right, that's going to be divided by 4.22. All right, 323 divided by 4.22. Okay, and that's going to give me a temperature of 76.5. Okay, it's super important now, and this is really the only other tricky thing about this problem is going to be, what is this? What's our unit on that? And of course, it is going to be in Kelvin. So that will be Kelvin there. The question's asking for it in Celsius. So if you're at Kelvin and you're going back to Celsius, we need to, of course, subtract our 274.15. All right, throw that in there. All right, that's going to be negative. Put it down here. T is equal to negative 198. And that's degrees Celsius. And there's my answer. All right, so again, we already covered the other two in class that had to do with STP and the constants as far as STP is concerned. So this one is just kind of a plug and chug, and the only real issue you have to deal with here is going to be converting from Kelvin to Celsius and back. So that's pretty much it, and then deriving the formula. So if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment or just message me in Schoology. I don't really care either way. I'll take my computer home tonight and check just to make sure nobody has any pressing questions for the exam tomorrow. But besides that, guys, that's just about it. Study your notes, study the concepts we went over, study these formulas, how to mathematically get to where we need to go as far as moles, and that's it. You guys got it. I got faith in you. Just put the work in. You got it.